How to create a MetaMask account. Now that you've installed MetaMask on your device, you can create your new account by clicking on Create a Wallet. Pero kung may previous MetaMask wallet ka na, you can simply choose, No, I already have a secret recovery phrase. Kung pinili mo ang Create a Wallet, make sure to read the terms detailed sa screen, and then click I agree if you do agree with the conditions. Ngayon, makikita mo na sa screen mo ang Create a Password. Make sure na yung pipiliin mong password ay secure at ikaw lang ang nakakaalam. Then, click Next. At this point, tuturuan ka ng MetaMask as to how you can keep your account secure at kung paano mo ito magagamit sa iba mo pang devices gamit ang tinatawag na secret recovery phrase. Makikita mo ito by clicking on the lock icon. Make sure na na-copy at save mo na ang recovery phrase bago mo i-click ang next. Maganda kung sa separate device mo ito ilalagay. Confirm your account by adding your recovery phrase in the right sequence. Pagkatapos nito, click All Done. And now, you have a MetaMask account that you can link to your OpenSea account.